Just one ingredient and chicken wings will melt in your mouth like butter. I'll start by cutting 2 pounds of chicken wings into pieces. After that, I'll put everything into a pot with water then 1 cup of Coca-Cola and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that time, we'll take it out and place it in a bowl. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jessica Brown from Orlando, Florida. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. When that happens, I'll add the chicken wings inside and let them fry. Then we'll season with 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and stir to combine. Now in a bowl, I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 grated garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix everything really well. The juice of half a lime. Tell me, how do you make chicken wings at home? I'd love to know your recipe. I'll pour this wonderful sauce into the pan, over the chicken wings, and stir well. Finally, we'll add 1 cup of Coca-Cola, cover, and let it finish cooking. Make chicken like this at home, and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. The flavor is simply divine. You'll regret it if you don't make it.